Here are the top 5 funniest animal moments today. And trust me, the last one is total chaos. But first hit like, subscribe, or drop a heart if you love cute animals. Here's the chilling bear.
Oh my Lord!
This bird had enough with
Why
meow.
is everything you say just meow? We need to send you back to school. You see? Same word every time. How do we discuss important issues like snacks or bedtime stories if all I get is meow?
Bumping to a bear is not a good idea. A prankster Chihuahua. You don't want to encounter this mad goat? That's hilarious. What do you think of this video? Share your thought in the comment.